Honorable Dr. A.M. Thambi Durai.
Mr. Vice Chairman, thank you very much for giving the opportunity to participate in the appropriation bill. So I know very well the limitation of the bill, as others said, but still I want to express certain views about what we want to say. You know very well, sir, last time when the budget presented, our party, ADMK party, supported the budget. Still we are supporting that. In spite of so much difficulties faced by the COVID pandemic, Finance Minister and Honorable Prime Minister of India took a lot of efforts to prepare the budget and presented it with great difficulty, the situation. Sir, we know that many times from Tamil Nadu, many finance ministers presented the budget, financial budget. First, as independent, after independent first budget, R.K. Shanmugha Chettiar who presented the financial budget. Then after T.T. Krishnamacharya, then so many people, Venkataraman, C. Subramaniam, and Chidambaram, like that. Now, another person from BJP, our Nirmala Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman presented the budget. We are very happy that the opportunity given by the BJP government to give our Tamil Nadu lady, first lady, Indira Gandhi, even though Indira Gandhi has finance sometime, as a full-time finance minister from BJP, from women has given the opportunity to present the budget. She knows the pulse of the people and also the home. She is the woman. Therefore, that such a way to give the facilities and other things, she presented the budget. And also, sir, our Prime Minister is having a lot of vision. How to develop this country. Then his aim is development. That is the slogan of the India government. That way, this budget presents how to develop this country economically and so many factors in agriculture, defense, and everything. They have done a lot of things. Especially defense thing, after they assumed the power, they have achieved now India has become a powerful country in the defense. That is the budget, it shows that. The budget allocation and the development what they have done. Then so many defense corridors they created. And also the first project, Honorable Prime Minister came to Madras, Chennai, and inaugurated that function there. Then afterwards, UP that again corridor is given. Why I'm telling, this budget is giving a clear picture for the country how we have to develop not only economic, but also defense side also. And also now, young man, our Thakur has come over here to explain and also answer so many things. In the morning also, he answered so many things when the people are asking questions. That's why he has also good talent. This kind of talented people, they are having now presented a good budget. I'm appreciating that. Sir, one thing I want to make, when we are giving the budget allocation, we have given a lot of money for Sri Lankan Tamil rehabilitation. We have allocated a lot of money. There is an agreement between Sri Lanka and India. When we are giving so much assistance for the rehabilitation of Sri Lankan Tamil there, the Sri Lankan government has to commit to give the devolution of power to the Tamil minorities there. There is agreement is there. Our Prime Minister is the only Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, visited the Alpanam Tamil area and has seen that whatever the projects, our Indian projects, money has given, whether it is fulfilled, they are properly implemented or that he visited, he is proud that one Prime Minister, first time from India, visited Tamil area of Sri Lanka, that area, and have seen that our assistance is whether properly utilized or not. That is done. At the same time, we have to see, when we are getting so much assistance, and with the agreement that Sri Lanka government honor the Indians for India, what they committed, to dissolution of the power to the Tamil area. Still, they have not done. But our budget is giving a lot of money for that, that we have to see that they have to implement that thing. And also, sir, morning also, I raised this issue.
You have already raised that and you have mentioned
No.
it. Please go.
Now I'm going further. Why I'm telling? Sir, the employment opportunity is very, very important. Anna said, please allow me something, sir, to see. Well, don't
Please conclude because your time
no,
is
I'm
already.
not concluding yet, because you have to allow me some thanks I have to say. Anna said, சாலை ஓரத்தில் வேலையற்றதுகள் வேலையற்றதுகள் நெஞ்சில் விபரீத எண்ணங்கள். Anna, he was also a Rajya Sabha member here, and then after Chief Minister, he's a great leader of Tamil Nadu people. He said, this is a very, very important word. The meaning that unless people have a peaceful situation to live, unrest will keep growing in their thoughts and actions. That
Thank you.
means, no, I'm telling you, sir, that means,
So, please.
that means, any budget thing is, I'm going to say, you reduce the time there, I will take certain
You have
points to say.
time limitations, sir.
No,
I have
sir,
also.
just,
Please.
No.
Please.
Why I'm telling?
4 bills. You can't cut short like that.
No,
No,
sir.
Today, sir,
Appropriation.
I think on
Then Pondicherry.
you are not
Pondicherry
in the
also I want
house.
to
The
speak,
time
sir.
has been revised
Sir,
with the
sir.
consent of the house.
Sir,
Please,
no,
please.
I want
please.
to speak Pondicherry also. Please allow me, sir.
Please.
Why I'm telling this is a very, very important word. What is meant? If there are youth unemployed, if you are not giving the opportunity for them, there will be some kind of unrest, something may happen. That is what the government felt. That is the government is a lot of money for the employment opportunity. That is the budget. I have seen that a lot of money is allocated for employment creation. So MSB like that they have done. I appreciate the budget, what they have done. Therefore, second thing, sir, regarding MP lakhs also. I'm coming to the
Please,
first-
please conclude now, sir.
no, sir,
Please.
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 See, important thing I want to say. Regarding Puducherry also I have to say, because now that is...
Sir, your time is over. Please, I have to call some other person. Please. You have run the house. You know the limitation of the chair.
2 points I want to make and
Please.
finish it. First, regarding the GST. GST, still we have to get a lot of money from the central government. Therefore, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edapadi Palaniswamy has written so many letters to the Honorable Prime Minister and Finance Minister. I request them to allocate more money. for
Thank you.
Tamil Nadu. One
Thank
thing.
you.
Second thing, and also the rate of the GST must be reduced. It is very high. Finally, I am telling regarding the Puducherry. Puducherry people want a statehood. It's a union territory. The demand of the Puducherry people is they want a statehood.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Therefore,
Sir, I'll be
please, I
calling
request
other
the
person
central
now.
government-
Sorry, thank you.
I'll also-
Shri Prashant
sir, I
Nandaji.
can conclude.
Sorry, Prashant Nandaji, please. Your talk will go on the record now. Honorable Prashant Nandaji.
Thank you.